Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to create your Neteller account quickly and easily. First of all, open your browser and go to Neteller's official website. On the homepage, click the join for free or sign up button to start the registration process. Now enter your country name and currency. Next, fill out the form with your details. Enter your full name, a valid email address, and choose a strong password. Make sure to select your country and preferred currency carefully, as this can't be changed later. Once all fields are filled, click Register to proceed. Check your email inbox for verification email from Neteller. Open the email and click the link inside to verify your email address. After verifying your email, log in to your Neteller account to complete your profile. To secure your account, you will need to set up a 6-digit PIN or answer security questions. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account. Once you're in, explore the dashboard. You will find options to deposit money, withdraw funds, and verify your account to unlock all features. That's it, you have successfully created your Neteller account. Start exploring the features and enjoy secure online transactions. Thanks for watching.